The following video, we're going to take a look at the notes in the first position. So we're going to start off with open strings and then we're going to start fretting the notes. Let's go ahead and let's learn the open strings. So we have E, B, G, D, A, and E. Let's review that again. So we have E first string, B second string, G third string, D fourth string, A fifth string, and E sixth string. So you notice we have two E's. Okay, let's go to the fretted notes, and we're going to start off with F right here in fret number 1, string number 1, and then we have G 2 frets down. So we have F and G, and we just learned E. So we have E, F, and G, G, F, and E, E, F, G, G, F, E. Let's go to the second string. We have C right here on fret number 1, second string. I'm using finger number 1, and we have D 2 frets down. So we have C, D, C, D, and B open, C, and D. D, C, and B, E, F, G, right? Let's go to string number 3. So we have G. This is an easy one because we're only going to be reviewing the A. So A is going to be in fret number 2, string number 3, using finger number 2. G and A, G and A. B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's go to string number 4. So we have open D, right? And now we're going to be pressing on E, fret number 2, string number 4, and F right next to it. We're not going to leave an open fret. We're just going to have F right next to it. So we have D, E, and F. So let's review what we learned so far. So we have D, E, and F, G and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're almost there. So now let's go to the string number 5. We have open A, right? And now we're going to go B. That's going to be in fret number 2, string number 5. That's going to be B. And right next to it, we have a C. So we have B and C, B, and A. And all the way on the top, the last note we're going to be reviewing today is going to be that E, F, and G. So we have F right here in fret number 1 and G on fret number 3. We're talking about the 6th string. So we have E, F, and G, G, F, and E. So let's go slow all the way down. Let's review all the notes that we learned. So we have E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. You can do the same thing, go in reverse. So there you go. You have the notes in that first position.